Hey, in the previous video, we saw some fantastic sights and experiences from Thikre. In this one, we'll go through glimpses of rest of the places we visited. Let's start by Munnar. It's a beautiful hill station known for its lush green hills and tea plantations. And of course, I had to get a picture with the basket, the tea leaves. Next place in Munnar is the Lockhart Tea Factory. It's one of the earliest tea plantations. This one is totally a ticket to fun and feeling young. Wonder Valley is an adventure and amusement park where you could let that inner kid out and completely enjoy yourself.
पीछे पड़ने enough. Double speed up.
Next location, Kovalam Beach, Thiruvananthapuram. Golden sandy beach, blue waters, green palm trees. I mean, this place is literally sunshine and bliss. This one is a very popular tourist spot. Vivekanand Rock Memorial was built in 1970 in honor of Swami Vivekanand, who attained enlightenment on this very day. Also, according to legends, here Ma Parvati had performed tapasya in the devotion of Mahadev. Last location in Trivandrum, Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple. It houses sleeping idol of Lord Vishnu, completely made of gold. Dress code is mandatory if you want to visit this temple. For men, it's dhoti, and for women, sari. If you're not wearing these dress codes, you can always buy a dhoti from outside the shops available there. So there we go. It's and bits of memories of all these locations. We thoroughly enjoyed our trip to Kerala, and it completely justifies the name God's own country. If you enjoyed the Kerala diaries, let me know by giving this video a like, and do watch the other videos as well. I definitely look forward to sharing more travel memories in future. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy.